I think people need to start saying no a lot. I think that was one of the. We need to learn to say for a lot of things, and that will give you more ways or opportunities to other better things.
When a younger guy hits on you,
Like the younger, I'm still young. How will they be?
younger than you, somebody who's younger than you,
They're still babies. I'm only baby. I'll call him Thambi Rose Milk Venuma. Flirting in a sense like saying pick up
trying
lines.
to grab your attention
Oh,
on a lighter way.
probably I would enjoy, that's all. So normal decent வந்து propose அப்படி எல்லாம் பண்ணா maybe I'll be like thank you for this but I'm not interested இந்த மாதிரி சொல்லிடுவேன், that's all.
When your interviewer turned out to be your ex with an uncomfortable outfit, how do you react to that situation?
I would directly tell them I don't want to do this.
Hey Ritz viewers, today we have our very own Priyanka Kumar with me. Hi!
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, and it is so nice to have you on my show. I think it's been a while
You're right.
since we had an opportunity to meet you on screen and off screen.
Yes,
How are you doing? How is things with you?
things are going really good. Yes, I do miss being here, playing Karthik Kanaveli as Vanilla, but life moves on. Like, I mean, I'm little updated version of Priyanka now. It's going good, but I do sometimes miss being here. Yeah.
As you said, you are in an updated version. What is that one learning you have taken from the serial experience?
Let not anybody's word hurt you. Yes, that thing I've learned it in a very hard way. And there will be a lot of comments going around you from your very own people, but you need to not really worry about those kind of people, and you're just here for work. You just finish and go back home. I think that's it.
But there'll be a point where you would have taken that in a lighter way. Okay, this is what they're doing, so let me just give it back to them. Or how do you handle it with ease?
I think there is no use of giving it back. Like, it shows their own character. That's what they are, and
Or how do you change your mindset immediately towards those comments, or whenever those comments comes to you, or how would you detach yourself from those comments?
see, as a human, everybody get hurts by having negative words or negative comments from your own people, or from the person you didn't expect it from. But getting away with it is accepting that there are people who are of negative and positive, and avoiding negativity and looking at the positive way is all about it.
Beautiful. I think you are seamlessly doing it, and I can see that. Let's get to know more about Priyanka. So I have few situations, and we would like to know what or how Priyanka thinks or does during those situations.
Okay.
Ready? So disclaimer: these are not real situations. These are made up hypothetical situations. So
Okay.
what if?
Okay.
Okay, Priyanka is put in such situations. Okay, good to go.
Yeah.
When you are stuck in a lift with a stranger,
Probably I'll ask him what his childhood would be. I would be interested in his childhood.
okay, that's so deep.
Yeah. I told you, I mean, I think Swami told you, I think in a last interview. I want to talk about the struggles. I like to talk about the struggles. I like to talk about how they overcome it. I think I'm very much interested in those kind of things.
So we can expect a very deep conversation, deep spiritual conversation, and all.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, have you ever had such conversations with your people?
Yeah, with friends, yes, I do. We still do.
When your vehicle is punctured in middle of the night,
I don't know, probably I'll call my dad to come and pick me up. Might be. Or I might take a walk.
okay.
I don't know.
Okay, if you're in Chennai, who would you call?
If I'm in Chennai, whom do I call? I think Swami doesn't have bike or car because he's also like traveling.
He'll have to book a cab and come to save you.
So it's not him. Maybe the Ruby Sharma he mentioned, no? Yeah, I'll call her.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Have you ever experienced such situations in real life? Like suddenly in the middle of
No,
night?
no, 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 no. I would never take up such risky situation. I'm always aware of things what I do. இப்போ நான் வெளியில போறேன்னா I'll first thing I do is I'll check my air, my petrol. அப்பாவும் இருப்பாங்க. It'll be like, please check your hair. Please check your petrol if it's full or not. Please get it done and leave. Don't go like that. So there is always my dad who will be like, please do that. This and
Safety
all.
check.
Yes.
When a younger guy hits on you,
Like the younger, I'm still young. How will they be?
younger than you, somebody who's younger than you,
They're still babies. I'm only baby. The younger ones are still even more babies. How will they
go
do?
kiddo, get a life.
Yeah.
சொல்லிடுவீங்களா?
I'll be like, where is your mom and dad?
Want to talk to them.
Yeah. I don't know how I would react. No, I
But
think
no,
I'll
no
call
such
him.
things happen in real also.
I'll call him Thambi rose milk venuma. Samantha's dialogue.
Yeah. So no such situations happen in real.
No.
I wish somebody should like at least try to talk to you, and you have to say this dialogue to that person.
Let's see.
Okay. When someone is stalking you while you are walking on the road.
Stalking. Oh, I have faced it a lot of times. I have. I think I was still in +1. One of my friend birthday was there. We all had gone to some restaurant to have lunch. And we were entering into the restaurant and suddenly there was this guy, he looked at me and he went to the opposite of the restaurant, bakery. There was this bakery. He got some flowers and chocolates. All of a sudden, you still can ask my friends. It was so like scary moment. He got it and he waited until I come back from the restaurant having from lunch. He waited till there and then I came out. He was like, this is for you. I was like, what? Who are you? Are you mad or what? I got angry. I was still a kid. I think probably like 15 or 16, that's all. And more than me, my friends were scared. What if he's gonna like hit them, hitters or kidnappers, something kind of. We had the situation, and we were like, okay, let's leave, and we left from there, and he started following us from car. And all of a sudden, me and my friend, she was riding, I was sitting backside, and he literally like drifted the car and came in front of us. He made us stop. He came out of the car and I was like shocked. Oh my god, he's gonna kidnap me now. I'm gonna leave. Please call police. And the Mari solitary, and he was like, he started talking to me. And my friend, like, she increased the accelerator and we left from there. And I can never forget that moment. It was really scary.
Okay, but this Priyanka, how would she handle such situations? Would you hit or you would
That-
be
Like now?
now?
Oh,
Yeah.
now. I wouldn't hit and all. It's okay if somebody likes you, that's okay. But until and unless they hurt you, like, hey, நீ லவ் பண்ணி ஆகணும் இல்லைன்னா நான் உன்னை கண்டுருவேன் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் பண்ணால் மேபி ஐ மைட் டேக் ஏ ஆக்ஷன். பட் இப்போ நார்மலாக டீசெண்டாக வந்து ப்ரப்போஸ் அப்படியெல்லாம் பண்ணனா மேபி ஐ பி லைக் தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் திஸ் பட் ஐம் நாட் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லிடுவேன். தட்ஸ் ஆல்.
அந்த மாதிரி எத்தனை பேரை ரிஜெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க?
நோபடி ஆக்சுவலி நேரில் வந்து இப்போ எல்லாம் யாருமே ப்ரப்போஸ் பண்ணலை. அப்போ இருந்துச்சு காலேஜ்லலாம், இப்போ யாருமே பண்ணலை.
Okay, so when your crew or the shoot team provides you with an uncomfortable outfit, how do you react to that situation?
I would directly tell them I don't want to do this.
Oh,
That's
okay.
all. I have done that.
Really?
Yeah. இப்போ எனக்கு அது கம்ஃபர்ட்டாக இல்லை, அந்த கேரக்டருக்கு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது, அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தால் I'll directly tell them, sir, I don't want to do this. Please change it. And I'll wait until they change it. If I'm not comfortable, how will I go and act? நான் first comfortable இருக்கணும்ல. Then before getting the dress, at least they have to ask me if I'm okay with this or not. So I think there was that situation and they got it done. And they understood me, and that was the first and last time.
And I think we people we don't often say no to things. So
Yeah, I think people need to start saying no a lot. I think that was one of the quotes and the suggestion that I've heard. We need to learn to say for a lot of things. and that will give you more ways or opportunities to other better things. Yeah.
When someone is flirting with you in a public event,
Uh-huh.
or maybe in a friends gathering,
Flirting in a sense like saying pickup lines.
trying to grab your attention
Oh,
on a lighter way.
probably I would enjoy, that's all. Like he's putting so much effort for for making me like enjoy his conversation. I'll just enjoy, that's all. There's nothing wrong in that. Unless and until it's healthy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. When your cab driver is drunk,
Probably I'll get down. Get down and maybe I'll complain the Uber or the Ola.
are you this bold girl who can like handle situations, or you have this fear in you?
No, 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 no. I'm really not scared of anything. I'm very bold like my dad. That's what my brother says. You guys know you're so like always having fights with everyone, saying no to things, saying that is wrong, this is wrong. Why do you guys do that? He's so opposite to us. I'll be like, if it's wrong, it's okay to say it's wrong, right? Why do you shut your mouth? You need to come out of it and talk. That's when things get right.
Last one, when your interviewer turned out to be your ex boyfriend. So like you're on a promotion interview like this, or something related to your industry, so you have to open up, talk about things.
I think I wouldn't keep anything in mind. I'll just see him as a co-artist or the co. You asked the anchor, right?
Yeah, anchor.
Yeah, I would speak to him as a co-anchor, just professional. That's it. Nothing personal.
Super. So that's so sweet of you to answer all the situations. I think some of it had really happened in your life also. You have
Yeah,
you've-
few of them.
Yeah, you have overcome it as well. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed this conversation as
Thank you
well.
so
Thank
much.
you.